Hello everyone, this is my review of the VI Heat Unbrush. This brush is good for helping to untangle especially tough and nappy hair. We use it to untangle my niece's hair because it gets very bunched up and everything, and it's untangles it very gently and not pulling at the hair to really cause a pain and discomfort and stuff. And the bristles are pretty durable and sturdy, and they're flexible. As you can see here, pressing down on them. So I highly recommend using this brush to deal with the tough, stubborn hair. You can get this brush in a variety of colors. There's a whole bunch of different colors. Can't even name them all. But I hope that this review helps.